Mga kababayan, darating ang panahon huhusgahan tayo ng mamamayan. Kasaysayan at poong may kapal. Kung paano tayong lang, namahala. Isang tanong lang nila, ano ang ginawa mo sa pandemya? Madaling magkamada ng mga pangungusap. Mas mahirap magpatayo ng gusaling maraming palapag. Madaling magbigkas ng dekahong slogan. Mas mahirap maghatid ng karton ng pagkain sa mamamayan. Madaling magbigkas ng mga talinghaga. Mas mahirap ang umaruga sa kapwa. If we have done so much with so little time, so little, so fast, under challenging conditions, it is because ordinary people rose to the extraordinary thing. Kaya kung ako po ang inyong tatanungin to explain in 50 words what we have done for Manilans. In all modesty, we put vaccine in their arms, food on their table, roofs over their heads, money in their pockets, computers on the hands of children, stipend in the wallets of our students, seniors, PWDs, solo parents, new streets they can walk on, new health facility they can walk in, new parks they can work out. And above all, hope in their hearts. Maraming salamat sa bawat isa sa inyo. To their selflessness and sacrifices, the state of our city is strong and our future secured. At ang mga bagay na yan ay hindi pinitas sa hangin, batay sa gawa. Not fake news, but based on facts. But for Manileños, they don't need to be told of statistics to learn what they already know. They see in-city vertical housing being built. They hear the crews cleaning our street or paving them. They can touch the healing hands of more doctors and the new walls of modernized hospitals. They can even smell the flowers on the parks we have reclaimed from neglect. At ginawa po natin ito sa panahon, kasagsagan at gitna ng pandemya. Hindi natin ininda, lahat kayo, nakasama ko, ang panganib na nakaamba sa bawat isa sa atin. We did not lock down development. We did not place progress in quarantine. We worked through the long, dark night. Dahil tayo ay nagpunyagi sa karimlan ng gabi, kaya tayo ay ginantimpalaan ng bukang liwayway ng ating tagumpay.